Hi, I'm Fernando Saenz, a mechanical engineering student and mechanical lead.
Hi, I'm Kovasky Buezo, a computer engineering student and the software and electronics lead.
We both attend Memorial University of Newfoundland in St. John's, Newfoundland, Canada. Smart thermostats have gained a lot of popularity. They let you control them with your phone, automate them so that they can only run at certain times, and see analytics for what the temperature was at any particular moment. Some smart thermostats in the market save up to 26% in electricity bills. The problem with these thermostats is that the installation requires professional assistance to remove the old thermostat, throw it out, and put the much more expensive piece of equipment in, and this is only if you're the homeowner. Otherwise, you need to convince your landlord to make such an expense up front, or put up with the cost yourself, twice if you want to keep it. But we say, don't throw out your old thermostat, just enhance it. We propose KAFA, a thermostat enhancer with much easier installation that lets you remove it at any time with no assistance. There's no need to get handy playing with electrical wires and screwdrivers. Just simply take KAFA out from the box, clip over your existing thermostat, and slide in the battery. Watch then as KAFA goes through a calibration process where it automatically detects the range of rotation of your thermostat dial. If you switch apartments, offices, or dorm rooms, take KAFA with you. Simply click off. We designed KAFA for the UoT Makeathon with themes 1 and 3 in mind. It helps with one's individual well-being because it aims to make a menial task easier, saves the headache of installation, and saves money on electricity every month. KAFA also helps the environment because it eliminates the plastic waste from throwing the old thermostat out, and the savings in electricity ultimately reduces fossil fuel consumption. The KAFA body was modeled using Fusion 360. The CAD models for the electronic components were sourced from GrabCAD. For the electronics, we used an SG90 servo that we hacked, an analog to digital converter, a Raspberry Pi Zero, a buck converter, temperature sensor, RGB LED, a potentiometer, and a battery we took from this camera light. We 3D printed the body of KAFA so that it would hold individual components together in a compact manner. We then wired it all up together, and there it was, the first prototype of KAFA.
So, what's under KAFA? KAFA is built using Docker containers, which makes it highly portable, modular, secure, and scalable. These containers run Flask web apps that serve as controllers and actuators easily accessible by any browser-enabled device. To store data, we use a container running a MySQL database. KAFA hardware is based off a Raspberry Pi Zero running a container serving as a micro web server, allowing it to receive commands and send data over HTTP. To make use of this web API, we've designed a user-friendly front-end served by Flask over a container. The Pi listens to changes on the physical or digital temperature dial and actuates the servo to set the desired temperature on the underlying thermostat. It possesses rudimentary active hours capabilities, and if the current time is outside those hours, it enters power saving mode. Every 5 minutes, it stores sensor data in a MySQL database that will be used for analytics. It also keeps logs of everything, accessible through the front end.
To improve KAFA in future iterations, we would like to optimize the circuitry to use a low-power Wi-Fi enabled MCU so that the battery lasts months instead of hours, and develop universal attachment mechanisms to fit any brand and shape of thermostat. Thank you very much.